Hey there everyone. This message is for people with PCOS, diabetes type 2, anyone who is overweight or just wants to feel better and healthy. Maybe they have inflammation that may be caused by sugar. This message is for you. I am listening and watching Dr. Jason Fung's channel, and he's been talking a lot about sugar and how it's completely terrible for us and causes all the infertility, and ovulation, acne, all the excess androgens. But ultimately, PCOS is a hyperselenium. Yeah. So what that means is the insulin is too high, and then it keeps producing because of sugar, and it's not sensitive. So, insulinemia, this is food. It's really good. It's all sugarless. Broccoli, onions, garlic, zucchini, cauliflower. Cauliflower is amazing because you can use it in so many things. I've had shepherd's pie instead of potatoes. You can use it as rice. I'm gonna put mushrooms in a second. But mushrooms, all of these foods have different vitamins and nutrients that come out when you eat, or when you cook them and when you don't. So mushrooms only have one that comes out more, and the rest, their nutrients are better when they're not cooked. So I'm only going to put in the mushrooms at the end, so they're barely cooked, and then I'm going to add almonds and some flaxseed because it's super good for you, and you need protein. Eggs are good too. Flaxseed is a good egg supplement if you don't want to have eggs. And it's high in omega-3, which is super beneficial for PCOS. And then I'm going to add queso dip. I get mine at Costco, and queso dip. Here, can you see that? I'm going to put this down. Where's it? Queso dip is from Costco or maybe other places, but it's, show you calories. There's 2 grams of sugar in there, and how I found that out is I looked at the carbohydrates, and it says, oh no, there's 3 grams of sugar in there for 2 tablespoons. So it says 1 gram of sugar, but you have to look at the carbohydrates, which is 3. And then if there's any fiber, you minus the fiber. So that's really low content. You want to keep it under 50 grams a day. So that's a pretty good thing to add, or to just use as dip for your vegetables. Yeah, I don't want to cook mine a lot, so I'm probably only going to cook this for a little bit more. And then I'm just going to eat it. Anyway, hope that inspires you to go out and do some healthy